In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in DocuSign. DocuSign is a leader in the electronic signature industry, and it's incredibly helpful if you're looking to streamline the process of getting documents signed virtually. Today's guide will walk you through the process, ensuring all your documents are ready to go with a signature space by the end of our session. Let's begin by heading over to your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you want to look for is the Agreements section. It's usually quite easy to spot. Just look towards the top or center of your screen. Click on Agreements, and you will see an option to Start Now. This is the gateway to setting up your document for signing, so go ahead and click that. Now that you've selected Start Now, the next step is to bring in the document you want signed. This is done by uploading it straight from your computer. A pop-up should appear, prompting you to find the document you need. Navigate through your files, find the correct document, and then upload it into the DocuSign platform. If you have your documents neatly organized, this should be a seamless process. With your document uploaded, you'll now need to add some personal information, specifically the name and email address of the person you're sending this to. Enter these details in the provided fields and double-check that you've spelled everything correctly. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, go ahead and click Next to move forward. You'll now find yourself in the place where you can add and arrange various fields within your document. Pay attention to the section titled Standard Fields. This is where you'll find the signature field, among other options. What we're focusing on today is the signature, so let's work with that. Click on the signature field, drag it with your mouse, and drop it onto the part of your document where the recipient needs to sign. You can adjust its position by clicking and dragging until it's perfectly aligned. To make sure everything is correct, take a moment to review what you've done. This is your opportunity to ensure the signature box is in the right spot and that all the information you've added is accurate. Once you're satisfied that everything is in place, you're ready to send your document off for signing. By following these simple steps, you've successfully prepared your document for an electronic signature with DocuSign. There you have it. Your document is all set, and you've efficiently added a signature field. Thanks for joining today's tutorial on how to add a signature field in DocuSign. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and make the most out of all the features DocuSign has to offer. Happy signing!